In this video, I'm going to show you how to view employee benefits in Origin Financial. Let's get started. Open your Origin dashboard and look for the Financial Planner tab in the left side menu. This section is where Origin organizes planning tools, guidance features, and employer-related benefits if your account is connected to a workplace plan. Once you open Financial Planner, check the available options shown on the page. If your employer includes free financial planning benefits, you'll see access to planners or advisory sessions listed here. You can review the available sessions and schedule a meeting directly from the platform. If your employer does not include free access, the app may also show paid advisory options, allowing you to purchase a financial planning session if you still want to use the service. This section is useful for understanding what benefits are included in your workplace plan and taking advantage of any financial guidance offered through Origin. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.